Again today math class. We will solve some problems of exercise 2.2. So in previous class we have solved up to 1 to 10 number. Okay. So today I am going to solve the question number 11. So question number 11 is little complicated, but if you understand it, it will be easy for you. The Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Okay. The Baichung's father is younger, 26 years younger than from his father. Then again 29 years older than Baichung. Okay. So Baichung is Baichung's father and his grandfather. So three persons are there here. So first you write solution. Okay. So read line by line, then try to solve. So first is Baichung. Then Baichung's father. Three persons are there. Another is Baichung's grandfather. So three persons are there. In first line given, Baichung's father is 26 years older than Baichung's grandfather. So first let Baichung's age, suppose X. Okay, Baichung's age is X. So 29 years older than Baichung. So Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung means plus 29. 29 years more than from his son. So X plus 29 is Baichung's father. Again, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than, means his father is younger than Baichung's father. That means Baichung's grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung's father. So what we will do here? X plus 29 is Baichung's father age. Again he is 26 years older. That means again you plus here 26. So Baichung is X, Baichung's father is X plus 29, then Baichung's grandfather is X plus 29 plus 26. So it is X plus 55. Okay. So again last line given, sum of the ages 3, 135 means Baichung's plus Baichung's father plus Baichung's grandfather. If you add ages of these three, age will be 135. Then you got equation how? X plus 29, X plus 55 equal to given 135 years. It is given in your question. Okay. Now you solve the equation. Here X, 3X, 29 plus 55. Okay. How much? 84. Okay. Equal to 135 years. Okay. 3X equal to 135 minus 84 equal to 51 years. Okay. X equal to, here multiply 51 by 3. 17 years. So Baichung's age, what you got? 17. Other 17 plus 29, it is 46 years. Okay. Then Baichung's grandfather, X plus 55. X is 17. 17 plus 55. Okay. So what is the age of each one of them means? Age of Baichung 17, Baichung's father 46, Baichung's grandfather is 70 years. Then question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So what is Ravi's present age? So after 15 years, what Ravi's age will be? It is 4 times from the present age. So solution. So let present age is suppose x. Okay. If present age is x, then after 15 years must be x plus 15. 15 years will be added in his age. So after 15 years, Ravi's age will be x plus, but in your question given after 15 years it is 4 times of the present age. So present age x, after 15 years it is x plus 15. So according to question, x multiplication 4 equal to x plus 15. Present age is 4 times. Okay. So you solve it now. 4x equal to x plus 15. Take x to rx raised to left side. Then 4x minus x plus minus equal to 15. 3x equal to again 15. X equal to 10 by 3 is 3. So present age. Present age equal to x equal to 15. So 5 years. Next question, 14 number. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Lakshmi is working as a cashier in a bank. So she has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, 50 and 10 rupees respectively. He has notes only 100 rupees notes, some 50 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. So the ratio of the number of these notes are 2:3:5. The ratio 2:3:5 and currency is 100, 50 and 10. Okay, only these 3 notes are there. So total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. Total money 4 lakhs. So you have to find out how many 100 rupees notes, how many 50 rupees notes and how many 10 rupees notes. So the ratio of the numbers. So here given solution. So the ratio of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 is equal to 2:3:5. So 100 rupees is 2 part, 50 rupees is 3 part, 10 rupees is 5 parts. Okay. So I said in previous also 2:3:5. 2 part, 3 part, 5 part means we will take 2x, 3x, 5x. This much. Achha. So 100 rupees notes, number of 100 rupees note is 2x. Number of 50 rupees note is 3x. Number of 10 rupees note is 5x. So how much money? So 2x number of rupees 100 gives. Okay. So amount gives. Our suppose 200 rupees notes means 200. 300 rupees notes means 100 into 3, 300 rupees. Like this 2x number of 100 rupees gives amount how much? 100 into 2x. So money is 200x rupees. Okay. Total 100 rupees. It is 200x rupees money. Then rupees 3x number of rupees 50 gives. 50 into 3x, 5 3s are 15, 150x money. Okay. 3x number of 5 to 50 rupees notes gives money 150x rupees. Okay. Then 5x number of rupees 10 notes gives money equal to 10 rupees into 5x. Okay, that is 50x rupees. So total rupees, total money. If you add this, you get how much? 0, 5, 5, 10, 3, 4, 400x rupees. Okay, total how much? 400x rupees. So here given, he has money is 4 lakh rupees. Lakshmi has cash equal to 4 lakh rupees. So suppose 400x equal to, we solve here, 400x equal to 4 lakh rupees. Okay, here we total money we got 400x. So 400x equal to 4 lakh rupees. So x equal to 4 lakh by 400. 2020, that is 4,000. How much? Sorry, 2041 1,000. Okay, so 1,000 number. So here x equal to 1,000. I will solve here. So we got x equal to 1,000. That means 2x. 2x equal to 2 into 1,000. That is 2,000 rupees. 100 rupees more. Okay. Then here 3x. 3x equal to 3 into 1,000. 300 number of 50 rupees note. Okay. Then 5x equal to 5 into 1,000. 5,000 rupees 10. Okay. So 2,000 number of 100. Here question is, how many notes of each denomination does she have? Means 100 rupees note, it is 2,000. 50 rupees note, it is 3,000. 10 rupees note, it is 5,000. You can check the answers by multiplying again 2,000 multiply 100, 3,000 multiply 50, 5,000 multiply 10, and answers you add, you must get 4,000, and it is check yourself either this answer is right or wrong. Again 60 number question. The organizer of an essay competition decides that winners in the competition gets a prize rupees 100 and a particular who does not get prize rupees 25. Winners will get 100 rupees. Loser will get, each loser will get 25 rupees. Okay. So the total prize money distributed 3,000. So total money given by the institution or the organizer, it is 3,000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants are 63. So total number of participants, 63 number of participants participated in the competition, essay competition. Winners get 100 rupees. Winners get 100 rupees. Losers, each loser gets 25 rupees. Total money given 3,000 rupees, and total number of participants is 63. And you have to find out the how many winners are there. Okay. So solution. So winners get, first step, let the number of winners. Suppose winners are x. Okay. Total number of participants. Total number of participants is 63. Here given. Okay. So losers. Losers कितने? 63 minus x. Winners total number, losers 63 minus x. Each winner got rupees 100. So each winner got one winner. winners. So X number of winners. Got money. 100 into X equal to 100X. Okay. Losers how much? Each loser got money. RS 25. So your losers 63 minus X. So 63 minus X, number of participants. Got money equal to 25 into 63 minus X. We get, when you multiply 25 with 63, you get 15, this much, 1575 minus 25X. So total money given by the organizer is 3000. That means when you add 100X with this amount, total will be 3000. In your question it is clearly given that. So therefore 100X plus 1575 minus 25X equal to 3000 rupees. Total money given this much. So 100X minus 25X, that is 75X plus 1575 equal to 3000. Okay. Then 75X equal to 3000 minus 1575 minus 3000 minus 1575, it is 14. Okay. So X equal to 14, 25, 75. When you got it, you get answer 19. Okay, you simplify it yourself. So answer 19. So here given your question is find the number of winners. So we have first line here we have written that let the number of winner is X. Here answer we get X equal to 19. That means number of winners are 19. Okay. Now the exercise 2.2 is completed, and I hope you understood all the problems and you solve it in your notebook. Okay. If you have any doubt, you watch the video again and again, and you pause it in how I solved here. Already I have underlined the main points and I am trying to solve the problems. Okay. I hope you could understand it. Thank you.